Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear friend, I'm Hamidah, Hamidah. Let's learn how to pronounce sound ah, ah, oh, and with me. Let's start with ah and Number 1. Uncle, uncle, heard after playing soccer. Number 2. I took the book in the bank. Number 3. The little boy hugged the hug who was sad. Number 4. Funny must teach funny slang. Number 5. The man drank so much beer he got drunk. Number 6. Tony went to the shop to buy a cup and Hannah bought a cup. Number 7. Akbar's car crashed the garden and crushed it. Number 8. The cup was alone waiting for a cup. Number 9. The mother dumped the trash in the dump trash. Number 10. My brother went to the pet shop to cut cat nails. Number 11. I watched the mice while eating much. Number 12. Donnie is afraid to see bats, but she is more afraid of seeing owls. Number 13. The truck left a tire track on the ground. Number 14. She is mad because her doll fell in the mud. Number 15. Some of the staff arranged the stuff on the shelf. Okay, next. And ow. Number 1. Dad went to buy a saw and sewing machine for mom. Number 2. My grandfather bought a boat. Number 3. The ball was thrown away and broke the bowl on the table. Number 4. I like a cone of ice cream with corn flavor. Number 5. Adin chose to buy clothes rather than shoes. Number 6. The dome is so majestic and it has dome. Number 7. Have to cross first to get to the coast. Number 8. The laws of this country are still very low. Number 9. Don't bother the first dog. Number 10. The sound of the saw was very loud. Number 11. He is the boss of our factory. Number 12. There is a hole in front of the hall. Number 13. The coach calls the player for training. Number 14. I hope you always be happy. Number 15. Iqbal must go home now cause his grandmother is sick. Next, U and Number 1. This shirt looks very loose. Number 2. To enter the pool, we have to pull the door. Number 3. The boom was behind the bus. Number 4. He wears a chef hat to be cool while cooking. Number 5. I don't know who chopped the wall wood. Number 6. Put the fruit on top of that glass of juice. Number 7. Mother cooked very much food. Number 8. The woman is very beautiful. Number 9. His style looks really cool. Number 10. Mother cooks soup for lunch. Number 11. The group's performance was really good. Number 12. I stood in front of this school. Number 13. You choose to stood on the wood stool. Number 14. That blue hoodie is so cute. Number 15. Good fruit looks like good food should. Those are all sentences from me. Thanks for watching. Hopefully useful. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.